1 year late. At this moment, I am speaking to you. You are watching this first video on this channel over 1 year late. Why? Because I did not press that record button. I did not press that record button. No, I am 1 year plus late. I did have time. I did have plans. I did have ideas. But yet still, I did not press the record button on my camera or on my phone. And there are many people like this out there right now. Have ideas, have plans of becoming, of creating a YouTube channel. But yet still, right now, not yet, or tomorrow, not pressing that record button. People, my friends, I'm here to warn you, to tell this, that don't be like me. Don't be like me. Don't be like me for 1 day, not for 1 month. If you have that dream, that idea, that plan to create a channel, go and do it. Don't, at the end of this video, you'll see that I have many things, but yet still I did not press that red button on my camera or on my telephone. And right now, you should be seeing this video from last year, but now you're seeing in this year, because I did not press that button. I will make mistakes.